This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features announcements from the recent Truckload Carriers Association annual convention, including a new fuel card management feature, an AI-driven predictive maintenance technology, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
AI-powered TMS provider BeyondTrucks has rolled out a new smart fuel card management feature. The new feature provides the ability to automatically activate a driver fuel card subject to predefined triggers, such as when they're hauling a load, and deactivate it when they're not on assignment. Fleets can also instantly generate and send money codes to make funds available to drivers directly through BeyondTrucks, track advances and include them in driver settlement calculations, and update fuel consumption data for each driver, as is customary in traditional systems for owner-operator drivers or IFTA calculations. BeyondTrucks CEO said, "This gives fleets customers better control over purchases, reduced administrative work, and the ability to provide drivers with payment flexibility on the road." He said, "By enabling smart fuel card management in our TMS, we are eliminating the need for manual card management processes and greatly reducing the risk of unauthorized fuel purchases." Telematics provider Predictive Technologies has unveiled its AI-driven predictive maintenance technology designed to proactively detect and address vehicle issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Predictive View continuously monitors vehicle health using AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of historical and real-time vehicle data collected through ELD and telematics devices. The tool spots unusual patterns or issues from key vehicle components like the engine, transmission, brakes, and battery that could lead to breakdowns. For example, the AI might detect irregular readings from the after-treatment system and diesel particulate filter to anticipate failures before any fault codes are triggered. Predictive Technologies Vice President of Product said, "Unplanned breakdowns spell disaster, not just in downtime, but in significant repair costs. By leveraging Predictive View, we equip fleets with critical foresight, enhancing operational efficiency and driving substantial cost reductions." Fleet Ops has launched a real-time incentive program for drivers. The program provides drivers with live performance data so they always know where they stand, what they need to do next, and how to hit their next bonus before it's too late, motivating them to take on more miles, generate more revenue, and stick around longer. It offers fleets insight into the return on investment associated with bonus programs, while automated tracking, structured approval workflows, and payroll-ready exports remove the hassle of manual calculations and reduce disputes. Canadian supply chain tech company Descartes Systems Group recently acquired U.S.-based transportation management solutions provider 3G TMS in a $115 million deal. 3G's transportation management solutions combine modern cloud architecture, an expansive carrier network, and planning-driven automation to help customers improve costs, customer satisfaction, and efficiency. Shippers, third-party logistics providers, and freight brokers use 3G's platform to optimize domestic over-the-road shipments with tools for planning, rating, consolidation, and routing that cover the entire shipment lifecycle. Descartes' chief commercial officer said, "3G's solution footprint for freight in North America is highly complementary, bringing strong domestic transportation management functionality for truckload, less-than-truckload, and parcel modes." The acquisition also expands our carrier reach in North America, including the addition of a network of API-integrated LTL carriers.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.